Welcome back to Mobiles Talk. Today we're exploring the Oppo Find X9, the 2025 flagship that's turning heads with its Hasselblad cameras and beastly battery. Design and build. At just 8mm thick and 203G, the Find X9 rocks an aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass and a sleek vegan leather option in colors like pearl white. IP68 rating means it's ready for real life. Display. The 6.59-inch AMOLED screen shines with 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh, and up to 4500 nits peak brightness. Ideal for HDR videos and outdoor viewing. Performance. Fueled by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500, with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage, it flies through gaming and AI tasks, thanks to advanced cooling and efficiency. Camera. The star of the show, a 50MP main LYT808 with OIS, 50MP Ultrawide and 50MP Telephoto, all Hasselblad optimized for natural colors, pro portraits and 4K Dolby Vision video. Battery and charging. The silicon-carbon 7025 mAh battery lasts up to 2 days, with 80W wired charging for 0 to 100% in 35 minutes and 50W wireless for on-the-go top-ups. Software and features. ColorOS 16 brings AI smarts like real-time translation and photo editing, plus fluid animations and 5 years of updates for a future-proof experience. With unmatched camera prowess, insane battery and flagship speed at a steal, the Oppo Find X9 is a must for creators and power users. Don't sleep on this one.